Advanced Pay-Per-Click (PPC) Certification Training. What is Advanced Pay-Per-Click? Advanced Pay-Per-Click (PPC) refers to a sophisticated digital advertising model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. It involves utilizing advanced strategies, such as precise audience targeting, extensive keyword research, ad optimization, and data analysis, to maximize the effectiveness of PPC campaigns and achieve specific marketing goals. Topics: Lesson 01, Psychology of Search. Lesson 02, Buying Funnel. Lesson 03, Understanding Keyword Organization. Lesson 04, Keyword Match Types. Lesson 05, Negative Keywords and Managing Search Terms. Lesson 06, Keyword Research. Lesson 07, Creating Compelling Ads. Lesson 08, Advanced Ad Features. Lesson 09, Ad Testing. Lesson 10, Ad Extensions. Lesson 11, Campaign Types, Budget and Reach. Lesson 12, Location and Language Targeting. Lesson 13, Introduction to Audience Types. Lesson 14, How to Segment Data and Create Lists. Lesson 15, Using the Audience Lists to Reach Customers. Lesson 16, Introduction to the Display Network. Lesson 17, Display Targeting Options. Lesson 18, Display Ad Formats. Lesson 19, Setting and Measuring Goals. Lesson 20, Bidding and Attribution. Lesson 21, Reporting and Testing. Lesson 22, Ad Group Organization. Lesson 23, Campaign Organization. Lesson 24, Working with Multiple Accounts. Lesson 25, Introduction to Quality Score. Lesson 26, Working with Quality Score. Lesson 27, Quality Score Diagnosis and Pivot Tables. Lesson 28, Setting up your PPC strategy. Lesson 29, Creating your account. Lesson 30, Managing your account. Lesson 31, Shopping and video campaigns. Lesson 32, Automation and other tools.